Good afternoon, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We are here today doing a project for J. Reed Renovations. Always a pleasure working with these guys. We'll introduce you to our customers here shortly. We're doing around a 45 square foot job of MSI Calcutta Laza, one of our most popular sellers right now. We have a real treat in store for you here. We made this top as a full slab, big U-shaped piece. This would be normally impossible, but we're going to show you how easily we can actually do this. A little extra handling. We're pulling into this job at exactly 2 p.m. right now. It's actually about 2:03. We've taken a few things out of the van, but we're gonna see how fast we can be in and out of this job. This would usually be an extremely heavy and dangerous piece to handle. I think we're gonna do it with ease. Here we are at 2:21. We have our piece all loaded on our cart. This is our final piece to go in the house. So 21 minutes in, we've got our other piece in, all fitting perfect. Let's see how long it takes to get this one in. Here we are at 2:30, so we've been at this job a half hour from the time we've actually pulled in. That's including all of our time to unload tools, get everything set. We always dry fit our sink first to make sure we're 100% good. First piece came in, fit 100% perfect. Alex is going to show you some up close pictures. The second big U shape we just got in, that was a hard piece to do. But if you look at that fit, first try, this goes to show you why you need the best templators on earth. If you're going to have a good install team that can move fast, has to be templated perfect right off the get-go. So here's our fit, absolutely perfect. We leave 0.09 in clearance and length. We wanted this to die right in the edge of the casing. Here we are, just behind the edge. Just an absolute perfect fit. You can look down our wall scribe. No gaps greater than 1/16 of an inch all the way down that crooked wall. You can see that wall goes in and out. This is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here with J. Reed Renovations, just finishing up a project. This install took us right around an hour and a half from the time we pulled in to we're all ready to pull out. What do you think of the overall process from picking this stone out to our templating and the install process?
So it's incredibly easy. What I liked about it was we have two different methods, right? We have pictures or we can go in-house. I think going in-house just makes the process much more simpler You actually get to see it, touch it. That hands-on experience just doesn't beat anything. And then the installation. These guys have the right equipment. It's just amazing.
Ken, we just came in with this. It's a huge U-shaped countertop all in one piece. What do you think of that process?
It was amazing. Once again, you know, they have the right equipment. I was thinking to myself the whole time that they were bringing this in here was, how would I have done this? And, you know, I probably would have broke something.
Yep. We're able to bring stuff like this in without even breaking a sweat, really. What do you think of the overall fit of it from our digital templating?
The digital template, that too is amazing. I know I keep saying that, but it really is. If you get to look at this, you know, I know this is an old house, it was built in the early 1920s. If you look at how tight this is along here, even though there's a backsplash going in, I mean, this is just, it's perfect.
Okay. And if you're a customer out there needing a kitchen, I encourage you to contact these guys to purchase your kitchen, your installation. They do a phenomenal job. Their work goes along great with our product. We try to be as perfect as we can every time, and we really appreciate good partners to work with. I'd like to thank you for your business.
Thank you, appreciate it, Andy.
Yep.